Click the exhibit button. The router shown in the exhibit is receiving the same multicast traffic through 3 of its interfaces S/S/and S/. Based on the tables shown below, which interface is hostness to RP interface 4, S, G, image? Option A, G0/0. Option B, S5/0. Option C, S5/1. Option D, S5/2. The correct answer is option C. Click the exhibit button. Image in an ASE series layer switch where port-based multicast BLON is being configured. Which port link type configuration must be used for the client connection ports? Option A, trunk, with the multicast BLON as the PVID. Option B, trunk, with the multicast BLON permitted. Option C, hybrid, with the multicast BLON enabled. Option D, hybrid, with the multicast BLON as the PVID. The correct answer is option C. How does IGMP snooping in the HP0-Y switch handle the report suppression mechanism? Option A, it transmits IGMP reports through all its ports. Option B, it transmits IGMP reports through the router ports only. Option C, it transmits IGMP reports through member ports only. Option D, it discards IGMP reports. The correct answer is option B. How are its multicast addresses mapped into MAC multicast addresses? Option A, IGMP creates a dynamic mapping table and includes the MAC address in query and report messages. Option B, the last 24 bits of the MAC address bits are concatenated to the IP4 multicast address after a special IP4 address prefix. Option C, the complete IP4 address is concatenated after a special MAC address prefix. Option D, the last 23 bits of the IP4 multicast address are concatenated after a special MAC address prefix. The correct answer is option D.